right? And if I bring this one on camera now, you can see the CF came out pretty nice. I really like, there's definitely a weight difference. This feels a lot lighter. And again, these are the pre-sliced files that Creality provided. And this was really, I would say, calibrated for PLA, but I still ran the PLA CF just so that you can see. All in all, guys, so what are my thoughts? So overall, what are my thoughts? If you had to get another K1, the K1C is definitely a printer that I would consider. If this is your first printer that you're looking for and you're looking for something that's just going to print out of the box, it prints out of the box. Setup was extremely easy. Removed just 3 screws, powered it up, loaded some filament, and we were set to go. The Creality print software has been coming along. It's a little, I would say, improved. It doesn't have as many filament choices as I would like, but it actually works. I would highly recommend using an Orca slicer, or now even Bamboo Labs version of the Orca slicer has profiles for the K1C. And in my home, since I have a couple of printers, that's what I choose to use. So overall, is this a recommend? It definitely is.